Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Hotjar for tracking heat maps on your website. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Hotjar for tracking heat maps on your website, start by visiting the Hotjar website. Sign up for an account if you do not already have one. Once your account is created, log into the Hotjar dashboard. Click on the Add a Site button to set up your website for tracking. Enter your website's URL in the provided space and click Continue. Next, choose the heat map feature from the list of available tools. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the site setup process. Hotjar will provide you with a tracking code. Copy the tracking code to your clipboard. Now, access your website's content management system or code editor. If you are using a CMS like WordPress, navigate to the theme settings or use a plugin for adding code. Paste the Hotjar tracking code into the footer section of your website, just before the closing /body tag. If you are editing code directly, ensure that you save your changes. After implementing the code, return to the Hotjar dashboard. Click on the Heatmaps tab to start setting up your first heat map. Select the specific pages or sections of your website you want to track. Customize the settings based on your tracking needs, such as device types. Once everything is set, click Create Heatmap. Your heat map will now start collecting data once the page is visited by users. To view the data, return to the Hotjar dashboard at any time. Analyze the heat map reports to gain insights into user behavior on your website. Using these insights, you can make informed decisions to improve your website's user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.